All right, everybody, this is the mailman. I'm coming out here to the barn, see what we can get into today, see what's going on. What the heck?
I'm ready to
What
race.
are you doing, Brett?
I'm ready to race. I'm gonna weld this up.
Don't you think you might need some face shield or something like that?
Nah.
Have you ever welded? Oh, Lord. Okay, well, I'll let you weld it. It's your life.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Brett. You guys probably have seen Brett on the channel a little bit, huh? Doing a little bit of work.
Oh yeah.
But Brett is a rookie. You know what the definition of rookie is, right?
Means you're a noob.
You are a newbie. And so we have a lot of newbies on this channel this year. We've got Brett, we've got Uriah, and we still have Wyatt. Just kidding. But the cool part about it is we've picked up a Honda Prelude from our good buddy Tyler Morris. We bought all his stuff, and Brett is going to be racing for us this year. Rookie everything, right?
Oh yeah.
Rookie build, rookie race, rookie everything. So
Everything.
you don't have any race gear, no experience whatsoever with racing at all.
Nope, never even driven a stick, so.
He don't even know how to drive a stick shift. And so we're gonna teach him from basics. So if you are watching this video and you have never raced before, this is going to be a good one for you to watch, because Brett is about to learn from the beginning to the end what it takes to build a race car, drive a race car, maintain and maintenance a race car, and eventually, hopefully, win, right?
Hopefully.
Hopefully so. So thank you guys for clicking on the video. Brett's headed down to weld with Dad. I think y'all may do that tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
And so they're going to head down there and weld a little bit and get started on his cage, tell you guys a little bit about his car, show you his car, and then we'll come back. I believe y'all are going to try to get the roof cut off too, right?
Yeah.
So Austin and Kevin may help you with that. So thank you guys again for clicking on the video. Like I said, here's a newbie right here, rookie. So we're going to start calling him Rookie on the channel. And Wild will move up to Junior Rookie. How about that? So, all right, so I'm going to let Brett and Dad take the camera. They're going to head down to the barn and get started on his build.
All right, everybody, this is the mailman. I'm coming out here to the barn, see what we can get into today, see what's going on. What the heck?
I'm ready to
What
race.
are you doing, Brett?
I'm ready to race. I'm gonna weld this up.
Don't you think you might need some face shield or something like that?
Nah.
Have you ever welded? Oh, Lord. Okay, well, I'll let you weld it. It's your life. All right, y'all, so look here. Here's the deal. We ain't going to let Brett do that. But what we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to fit this cage in for Brett. This is Brett. We got him a Honda Prelude from a buddy of ours. This is, of course, Larry Dickinson cage. This one's been out in the weather a little bit, so it's got a little bit of surface rust. We'll clean all that up. But this is why I do what I do. So Brett said you never welded, right?
That's right.
Well, this is a fine opportunity to let Brett learn how to do some welding. Now, some of y'all out there might be saying, you gonna let a rookie weld a cage up? Yes. And if he does it good, I'm gonna let him keep welding. If he doesn't do it right, I'm gonna grind it down and we're gonna weld it up right. We're not gonna send him out. But this is a great opportunity for you to learn how to weld. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start out welding, let him look through my shield with my extra shield. Mine's got cheaters because you know when you get old. So we're gonna let him look, watch the puddle, and then I'm gonna let him turn him loose and let him learn. You learn from your mistakes. That's how I learn. That's how they gonna learn out here. So we'll get back with y'all. We're gonna start fitting this cage up. All right, everyone, so we got, look, he got gloves on, he got the right shield and all that. This is Brett's very first welds. I think he did a very good job for his very first welds ever. They don't look bad. He's learning, like I said, this is his first welds, the stick weld. Wait a minute, here was his first one, that's his second, but the same bar, so. He's doing pretty good. We're going to turn the heat up just a little bit on this one right here. And or he got to move a little fast. He let it pile up. You know what that means? Get the grinder out. Grind it off. All right, so the master welder that went to school and all that told Brett to move out of the way. She was gonna show him how it's done. So Bree ain't touched a welder in months. She done went and got a job as chiropractor assistants and all. I told her, hey, let's see if she can put the bead down. So we gonna let her weld.
I don't like how these feel either, but
Oh, don't complain. She don't like this. She's got her golden glove. Getting good penetration, and I heard it. Let's look. Oh, she's got her in there hot and good. Oh well, Brett. You fired. Alright, so the cage all put together, it's tacked in. And Brett started learning on the door bars on the outside, because we will plate the door bars completely. So I'm looking for penetration, not prettiness of his welds. If I have to, I'll go back and fix it. This is an opportunity for somebody that's never welded to learn a trade and learn something here. I like his enthusiasm about wanting to come out here and work on his own car. I'm just letting him weld. He seems to be doing a pretty good job. And then I'll go back and all the critical joints that's in the joints that you can see, like the inside of the door bar, I'll probably weld him up unless he gets really good at it. Or I'll either let him have a grinder and make them pretty looking. The outside, we're gonna plate this car, so all this will be plated. I'm gonna weld these parts. He's just doing the door bars for right now, and then I'll look at it. Didn't take me about 30 minutes to get it tacked up and fit up. That's because we got a good Larry Dickinson cage. It's pretty doggone good. Even though this is the first time I did a Prelude, we did have to do a little cut here and there. I mean, that's typical. All cars are a little different.
Hey man, we had
Hey, just letting everybody know what we got going on.
we got about 15 more of them this year, right?
I'm gonna add them all the way over here. Dear
Hey,
mercy.
there's a lot of racing this year.
I just know by the end of my life. Look here.
Oh,
We're back in the shop. 00 Falcon ain't worth nothing.
Bluetooth rims.
We are back. You've already saw. Y'all have to understand that sometimes these videos get chopped and there's times in between. So Brett went with Dad. If you see it, if not, we're starting over. Got a car, right, Brett?
Yep.
And who's gonna be driving this mug?
Me.
You wish. What? Serious? All right, Brett. Tell us what you.
Fit in there.
First of all, we already see there's a cage behind you. Who's been working on this?
Me and the mailman.
You and the mailman. All right. And for y'all they see Brianna sometimes on here. Y'all, if nobody knows, Brett dates Brianna, and that's the deal. I just don't know if Brianna breaks debt. Brett. I'm in debt. Anyway, so
We all.
we have, I don't remember, do you remember the year? I don't know if y'all stated.
2000.
This is 2000 Honda Prelude. So what we're going to get done tonight, because I don't want to be sitting here talking forever, but I will, is getting ready to throw a cage in. We got to get, I guess we could have come here just for now. It rolls, right? All right. We're going to get the thing pulled in here. I'll go ahead and show you. We got a motor sitting here, and then I'll go up and get Mailman's truck. Kevin, I got this too. There you go. I got that for you. Don't you step on it. So we're going to throw it in here, right, Brett, and start getting some inventory. Don't you? Do you know who I'm talking about? Oh, all right, here. All right. We're tired of seeing you. Got the motor. We're going to get the car in here. Haven't seen me I've been sick for like 3 weeks. I'm trying to make it 4. It's not as cold. Get the car in here and start taking inventory. We're not sure. We're not in a rush on this car, but we got to make the next race this weekend. All right? So I don't think we can do that. We're not.
I mean, we're good, but I don't know if we're that
We
good.
ain't that good either. We got a.
I mean, it took 3 days for y'all to build that Mercury.
This
So.
video sponsor is from the 2018. A large 2-top, $5.99. Carry out only now. Y'all will probably find out that
Oh, that's a large. It's already good.
large, yeah, it's a good deal. Hey, Brett, what are they now?
I think they're like $6.99 a piece for mediums.
Brett's a what you would call a pizza connoisseur. All right. Have you ever had a chicken pizza? Come on now.
Pepperonis.
Chicken bacon ranch.
All right, let's get to work. Hold up, I just want to see something before we go. I know we're talking too long. Just when you show. Hey, look, large 2-top, $5.99. Look at the fine print down here. Deep dish may be extra. Minimum purchase. Look at our drivers carry less than 20. You're kidding me. Are they doing that so people don't rob them? Our drivers carry less than $20. You must ask for this. Limited time offer. I guess you got to ask if they got more than 20 to rob them. All right, here we go. Let's do it. We got some junk. I don't know about all that. Here it is. Like it, sir?
Car.
What do we need? A 16th car. We'll be good. It's roller. A lot of it's already done. I think we could make it this weekend. Wait, is there a motor in there? We'll figure out these wires. Brett's going to get this thing cleaned out to where we can kind of take a quick inventory. Cut this door off. It might be on. So yeah, you can cut that and open it. And we're going to start getting this thing going. You interested, sir? Prelude.
See what she got under the hood here.
This might be worse than
Hot
I thought.
air. Sweet.
Hot. It's already overheating. Ain't even got a motor. All right, so let's get it cleaned out. Let's do it. So what we're gonna do is, like y'all already know that we're dealers for Larry Dickinson and cages. And 9 out of 10 times we build the cage inside the car, but in this situation, because we just had the cage already and we've already pretty much pre-assembled it, we're not too worried about this one. We're gonna cut the roof off just like we did. It does make it easier. A lot of that building inside, a lot of that has to happen, in my opinion, just because shipping. So they do fit very well. It's not just so that you can build them inside. I don't like that to cut the tops off, but Brett might roll it. So. All right, here we go. Let's take it. Take her off, see if it works. Street stock style.
Alright, okay, now.
Alright, I think that's it. Put a motor and let her eat. Gotta just do some cleaning
Convertible
up.
now.
Huh?
Convertible now.
Yep.
Alright, okay, see how the cage fits.
I need to clean up first. Hold up, we gotta go back up. Back.
Yeah. Is the back fitting in?
What's up? This is Brett. The camera died the other night while we were trying to get the cage in. We got everything fitted up and ready to be welded to the floor. As you guys know, I have zero idea what I'm doing. But I want to take the time to say thank you to FFR for giving me the opportunity to do this. This is definitely a learning experience for me. But the cage is fitted up and welded into the car, and we'll show you that in a minute. We'll walk over here to Skylar.
What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Y'all get it done?
Oh yeah.
Y'all caught me. Sneak peek. Y'all have already seen this video. I'm editing Uriah's video, which y'all have already seen, but it's good to go.
Good to go.
What all y'all get done? Did you already tell them?
Yeah,
I
cage
heard
is
y'all
welded.
cage is welded in.
The soundproofing of the floor's out.
That took a while, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
You didn't use my method, did you?
No. I chiseled everything out.
Okay.
And the roof is back on.
So we'll have to show them that next video.
Oh yeah.
What all do you have you told them? Have you told them what number you're gonna be yet?
Not yet.
So we're gonna leave that for the reveal.
Yep.
And reveal everything to them.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Well, I think you did a good job. I've seen the progress and seen what you've done so far, and so I think you've done a really good job on it. Cage looks great. Your welding skills have improved, huh?
Oh yeah.
Even though Brianna took it over.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. All right. Well, good job. So thank y'all very much for hanging out with Brett and Dad and all of us. Y'all have already seen Uriah's go-kart video. I just got done cleaning it. I'm in the process of editing that now. I've already showed y'all that. But thank you guys so much for welcoming Brett to the channel. He's been helping us out a lot and learning a lot. And that's what this channel is all about, is allowing people to learn more. I know Uriah today at the track learned so much, and now Brett's learned how to weld, learned how to remove sound dampening from the car, and learn how to cut off a roof.
Oh yeah.
And so that's what it's all about, is taking someone who's a complete rookie and turning them into a veteran racer and a veteran worker. And so that's what we're doing with Wyatt. We're developing Wyatt with that skill. Wyatt will actually be down. He's building a new car as well. So Brett and Wyatt will both have a new car, and then obviously Uriah's kart. So don't forget, we are an affiliate of Victory Fuel. I know I said that in Uriah's video as well, so you guys be sure to use code FFR1 to grab you some Victory Fuel for the track this year. I know our refrigerator is stocked full of it, and so that's going to be fun. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think of Brett's car. We've only had one Prelude on this channel, or in our race team before, and I don't even know if I throw a picture up. If not, I'll try to throw one up here. But I did build a Prelude one time before, and so we are a little bit familiar with them. We just never actually built a Prelude cage, and so it's really fun. You got anything else left to say? Got it? All right. Well, we'll see you guys in the next one. Just a quick update before we go. I did get my heads back for my pure stock, so my heads are in. I'm actually getting everything rounded up to get that pure stock engine video started up and put together. So I'm excited about that. And also Travis and Phillip are making us a really cool video that's coming out really soon too. And so, with that said, we'll catch you guys in the next one.